Hi guys, I'm back with yet another useful tip in Canva, and today let us see how to change the color palette of our design in a very simple way. So let's open Canva. Let's go to any of our designs. So here we can see that the design has a lot of green and purple, but if you want to change the entire color palette of the entire design without having to change the colors of individual elements, all we have to do is upload a color palette to Canva. So for that, let's go to Google and let's check for a palette. Let's check for the blue purple color palette. Let's go to images and let's go with this one. Let's copy this, go back to our design and paste it. And then let's right click here, apply colors to page, and this will automatically apply the palette to our entire design. We can again click apply colors to page, which will then play around with the colors by switching the colors of the same palette to our design. And we can choose a color palette that we like and go with that. That's it. Hope you guys